On today's mission, first of all, welcome back to my channel. This is Eric again at you, and today I'm working on this bus. It's a F550, and I have to put the fans on the roof up there on top. That means I gotta climb through the emergency hatch, and I got the fans right over here in this box. They go on the air conditioning unit. I got you. There you go. Got new mounting hardware, everything. Brand new fans. Two fans at that. Looks like a fun day. Let's get started. Okay, this is the problem we got. It looks as though this broke right here. I previously took this fan out, that's why it's missing. This one they got the bracket. Somebody put that in there. I gotta take this all off just to get to that. First thing we got to do is not fall off the bus. That'd be a very tragic set of circumstances if it did happen. I'm not trying to do that. Alright, what didn't happen here? Somebody done spliced that together. Wasn't supposed to. Kind of splices it. We just twisted it. I didn't do that. I'm coming behind somebody else. I just want to let y'all know. That's broken. Gotta fix that. But in the meantime, in between time, it's starting to get hot out here. I'll tell you the truth. I tried to start early in the morning, but it just seemed like that was going to happen. Let's see. How come these bolts don't particularly line up with the hose? Okay, I see now. So this go on there, and that slide down. That slide down to the little slot, and then you put the screw through there. But the problem is, it's not big enough. It's not. The fan is not big enough. It don't look like that's gonna work. I don't think. Let me see. If I line up that hole won't line up.
and it'd be too far away from that hole. All right. Let me look at something. The other fan is bigger. This other fan is bigger because the holes line up. And that other fan is smaller.